Okay, so first of all, let's start by drawing the face line. We're going to draw a girl, I decided. Okay, so just one line, and I am going to start drawing the cheek line. Here's the chin, and you kind of want to draw a girl looking up a little bit this way. And what I usually recommend is to make a guideline. Just imagine that she doesn't have any hair. Just imagine she doesn't have any hair. And a neckline. Like this. Let me see. And before we directly drawing the eyes and nose, let's give a guideline. So the idea is, again, the she is looking a little bit up this way. And the nose is higher location. If you put the nose first, it gives you a good idea of how you want to put the eyes. So nose is really good idea and good location point. And then I might want to try to make a different, hold on, just correcting the face line just a bit. There we go. Okay, now we're going to draw two eyes, right? So right here, and it's going to be right here, just about. So go ahead and draw the one eye. Remember, she is looking up. And she's a little bit upset, not really happy face. And again, if you don't know how big the size is going to be, just give a guideline again here. So you know you're not gonna draw bigger than this line. Maybe just add the wrinkles between the eyebrows. Like this. And then, now, if you notice, the mouth is going to be more than about the half of the total face line, face size. Because she's going to have a huge mouth opening. So, right now here, just there we go. So now we just drew the face with the big mouth open. Go ahead and draw the teeth, tongue, and teeth maybe. And then when we are drawing the hair, remember the girl face is looking up. So you wanna do is that this front part, it's going to be big bangs. You're going to draw a bangs, large size. And then more hair down. You're welcome to Correct. Like this. And maybe you can add the shade. So now we're going to draw tears. But tears, imagine if you can maybe touch your faces, but you can see the cheeks around. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're drawing the tears going along the cheek, your cheek line. You don't want to draw straight, kind of going around and around. So something like this. Hey, so I thought I would give you one more bonus lesson, how to draw an open mouth side view. Let's do this. So first of all, just draw the nose normally. And here, if you're drawing just normal face, you might draw the jaw like this. But we're drawing a little bit lower because the mouth is going to be open. So like that. And then try to imagine the person has no hair. So we're just adding the neck. So let's draw the eye. And remember, I will just draw a crying face. So the eye is looking up. And eyebrow is up. And what you're gonna do is just add the ear right here, a little bit back. And now we're going to draw the mouth right here. You might have to draw a few times until you're happy with the shape. But what I do is I don't really necessarily connect all the lines. I mean, just leave it. And do the teardrops. Again, make sure that it's falling along the cheek line. And then we're adding the hair. Like this. So now you have drawn a girl face with crying and shouting on the side view. So the key point is make sure you have a big space right here, and the mouth shape, it might be like this, or you might want to draw all the way connected to the jawline. But find the shape of the mouth that you are happy with. So you can redraw multiple times. And then make sure that the eye, make sure that the tears going along the cheek lines. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the lessons. If you have any lesson requests, let me know. Just write in the comments. And make sure to subscribe my channels. I try to make more videos. So, どうもありがとう. Thank you so much. またね. Bye bye.